Everyone, today I'm talk about my SWOT analysis. So my strengths are I'm graduated in BCA. I have lot of knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I have made few projects and knowledge of full stack developer. My weaknesses are lack of communication skills, less knowledge of React.js and Node.js, and no working experience. And my opportunities are working as a backend and front-end developer, as a full stack developer, and I can work as a full freelancer and work as a tutor. My threats are there are a lot of opportunities in market where there are so many competition in software field, so that's my biggest threat. And I work as a firstly I work as a junior developer, so junior developer hires at less wages. Thank you.